Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can open the Trade Tiger account. So you already has had login. Now what you need to do basically, you need to sign up, basically open account that way that you give an information. So what you need to give is your whole personal data. So you go here that you see at the bottom, open account. Click on that, and then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So you will need to put your information, your email, your phone number, your ID, picture, and so on. And then you will need to wait for a review. If this review go through, then you have opened your Trade Tiger account and you can deposit and start trading. So this is how you can open. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.